Welcome my dear students, Sharanu Sharanarthigalu once again. In the previous class we have discussed about the simple machines which are related to the simple machines. Those are the spanner, needle, opener, a pair of tongue, knife, nail cutter, screwdriver, and also we have started that in the previous class about there are 6 kinds of simple machines are there. Those are the pulley, the inclined plane, the screw, the weights, the lever, and the wheel. So we have studied in the previous class about the pulley, the inclined plane, the screw, the weights. Now we are discussing about the lever. Which point? Lever. So here there are 3 kinds of levers are there with a different arrangement of load, effort, and fulcrum. So these are the 3 kinds of levelers. Let us study the simplest kind of lever to understand the concept of load, effort, and fulcrum. Here the person or the man is using an iron rod to lift the heavy package. He has placed a block of wood close to the package and he is resting and rod on it. He applies a downward force and thus is able to lift the package. So for example, you have seen when the person is lifting the heavy box from the ground to the certain height, he will put that a rod. So below the rod he will keep one rock, otherwise a stone. So when you pull other end of the rod, so it can be slowly that box will be lift. So this is what you call that lever. Here the iron rod is the lever, the package to be lifted is the load, and the wooden block is the fulcrum or pivot, which is the fixed point of the lever. Now we can see what is the effort. The force which the man is using to lift the package is known as effort. Okay. So in the figure, just you observe the effort put at one end of the rod is transferred to the other end of the rod, which was pushed under the load, and the work as done here. Here the fulcrum is between the load and the effort. So here in the figure they are given balance, seesaw, and next to that drainage cap is lifting in the figure, and next cutter is there, scissor. So these are the nothing but arranging of the effort, fulcrum, and load. So effort is one end and load is another end. In between fulcrum is there. This is the first kind of lever. Okay. Next you see. Is it clear? Next we are observing in this the fulcrum is at one end, the effort is applied at the other end, the load is in between. So the fulcrum is at one end, the effort is applied at the other end, and the load is in between. So examples are the nut cutter and blow machine, nail cutter, opener, and next to load cart. So these are the example of the second lever, and the third lever is just you observe the effort is in between the load and fulcrum or at the two ends. So here fulcrum is one end, load is the another end, and effort is in the middle or in between these two. So example just you can see, those are called forceps, and next to observing this fish catcher and dumbbell in the gym. So all these are the examples of third lever. So these are the 3 kinds of levers which we have studied. Clear my dear students here? Okay, fine. Next you observe wheel and axle is there. The wheel on its axle is another example of a simple machine. An axle is the rod to which a wheel is connected. So, these are the different kinds of the wheel. Those are the cart wheel, car wheel, train wheel and aeroplane. These four are the different kinds of the wheel which is connected by the axle. And next, when you turn the handle of the egg whisk slowly, it moves the wheel at the greater speed. The axle transmits this turning motion to the blades which rotates fast to do their job. So, these are the example of wheel and axle simple machines. Okay. So, here this is the end of the unit. So, thank you my dear students. ಶರಣು ಶರಣಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು.